In this video, we compare HS700E drone with certification and 4K GPS drone package. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The Holy Stone HS700E drone is FAA certified, ensuring compliance with regulations and providing an unhindered flying experience. Equipped with a 4K EIS Anti-Shake camera, this drone offers stable video transmission and a wide field of vision for capturing precious moments. The drone features GPS and GLONASS navigation systems, offering stable hovering and a reliable return-to-home function. The HS700E drone is packed with additional features like Follow Me, custom flight path, and smart return to home, all controlled via the Ophelia application. The drone comes with a modular battery and a premium carrying case, making it easy to use outdoors and safely store when not in use. The HS700E is extremely user-friendly, requiring no complicated preparation and featuring modules like altitude hold, headless mode, air pressure sensor, and optical flow. The TENSSENX 4K GPS drone package comes with a UHD camera that delivers high-resolution images and videos, providing an engaging flying experience with its 5 GHz ultra-fluent FPV transmission and 90-degree adjustable lens. The drone's GPS-assisted flight feature ensures that the drone always returns when the battery is low, the signal is lost, or when the auto return button is pressed, providing peace of mind for the user. Featuring an upgraded configuration, the drone boasts 2 enhanced batteries that provide a longer flight time of 60 minutes, and its brushless motors offer a quieter, stronger flight. The drone is easy to operate, with multiple functions such as automatic takeoff and landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and electric fence, making it ideal even for beginners. The drone's considerate design includes an advanced LED screen remote control which displays the battery level and GPS signal, and its control range reaches up to 3,000 feet. With a foldable design and a well-fitted carrying case, this drone is easy to take outdoors, making it an ideal choice for those who enjoy outdoor activities. The Holy Stone HS700E drone and the TENSSENX 4K GPS drone package are both high-quality drones with unique features that make them stand out in the market. The HS700E drone is FAA certified, ensuring compliance with regulations and offering an unhindered flying experience. In contrast, the TENSSENX drone does not mention any specific certifications, but offers a smart return home feature that ensures the drone always returns when the battery is low or the signal is lost. Both drones have 4K cameras, but the HS700E drone features an EIS Anti-Shake camera for stable video transmission, while the TENSSENX drone boasts a UHD camera with image stabilization. In terms of flight time, the TENSSENX drone has an advantage with its upgraded configuration, offering a longer flight time of 60 minutes, compared to the HS700E drone, which does not specify its flight time. Both drones come with user-friendly features and a carrying case for outdoor use. However, the TENSSENX drone has a foldable design, making it more portable. Lastly, the HS700E drone is priced at $329.99, while the TENSSENX drone is more affordable at $108.89. Overall, both drones offer excellent features, but the choice between the two would depend on the specific needs and budget of the user.